Okay guys, so that was just some quick effects that we did. It was, we just like, it was like, let me just get some light. Oh, that's better. It was like a Mortal Kombat one, like guns, blood, and all that. This one. Yeah, so we just used this gun. I don't know one. A Nerf gun. It's a Nerf gun. Yeah, so yeah. We just wanted to check out how it would work, those effects, because last time it wasn't working and we tried to do one, and well, that sucked, and I got mad. And yeah.